much we go further in a certain event.
This is a basin. Its base has circles sharing the same center. In mathematics, circles that share the same center are called concentric circles.
Angle is a figure formed by two rays, sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of the angle. Like for example,
this is a right angle, an angle of 90 degrees, as in a corner of a square or at the intersection of two perpendicular straight lines.
Hi, so my chosen objects are puzzle pieces.
Just like in mathematics, a puzzle requires solutions and analyzations that involves problem-solving skills. A puzzle needs to be solved, and for the puzzle to be solved, you need to construct and plan a solution. Technically, you can solve math in a puzzle piece without a solution that answers a question which fits the exact piece to complete the puzzle.